Hi everyone, it's Warren coming to you from the Northern Light factory in Kelowna, British Columbia. And today I'm going to show you how to operate the third step on the truck campers. So basically what you want to do is pull these pins. There's one here on this side, one over here. You got a pin down here. And then just simply take the step, fold it back to about this position here so it's kind of balanced like so. Grab the step like this, take it off like that, push the step down the rest of the way, and just hook it on. Works really nice and easy if you do it in that position. The step is all ready to go. There's nothing more that you need to do at that point. When you need to fold it up, when you're traveling down the road, going to your next location, take it off like so. Again, put it up in the kind of balance in that position again. Hook it on like this and fold it up. Put your pins in and you're ready to go. Thank you very much for watching.